All right, guys, we just got this.
This
huge
is a
box.
Supercharger from Magnuson. And welcome back to Formula Bean.
Hey, Ralph, since you know so much about this box, what's in here?
Metal. Very fast metal.
Huge.
Type of metal that sucks in air.
Is it heavy? I can't even. Yeah, it's
A little
pretty
heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
A little heavy. We got blessed, guys. Magnuson, they sent us a Supercharger. Supercharger sent us a Magnuson.
For our 1,000 horsepower engine build right here.
1,000 horsepower, 1,000 years on the road.
I mean, I've never ordered a supercharger in my life, so you want to open up this box? See what's in?
Let's do it. It's a box.
Got this. That's for
Go ahead and open this and show it to you how to use it. It's a doodle dobble. And then it plays a magic tune, and elves will come and assemble the supercharger for you. But be very careful, because if you play it upside down and at the wrong pitch, you will summon tortas.
Right there.
Yeah, I guess you could use it for that too.
Yeah.
Nice.
But maybe we'll use it for tortas.
Yeah, maybe. Depending if Jaime shows up or not.
Oh, nice. It comes with a backup plate.
Watch step there, buddy. Never touched one in real life before.
That's huge. That's huge. Huge. That's big, bro.
Alright, bro, it's big. We get it. You've never seen one that big before, huh?
Bro, that's the size of the engine. Humongous.
That thing's so big it could take your torta.
Can fit one torta inside there. Put your fist in there. Jesus.
This thing
Put two fists in there.
This thing is 15 cubic torta.
You can put two fists in there. All right, now put a foot too. No, a fist and a foot. Dang. That's crazy.
This is nasty. This is the nastiest we've ever gotten with car parts.
All right, let's just lay it on top, because I'm genuinely interested on how it's gonna look, because it's thing's humongous.
Wow. Look at that.
It doesn't fit, guys. Let's return it.
The thing's literally double the size of the engine. It's humongous. Look at that.
Superchargers?
It is called the. You remember what it's called?
It looks like we have to separate this, torque it down, and then put the cover back on. But before we do that, we also have to install this valley cover. And before we do that, we got to install the
Oiled plugs.
the oil plugs. All right, so the plugs, then this, then that.
All right, here's something you don't see every day. That's because no one just has a Hellcat motor laying around, except for Ralph. But here's a Hellcat engine compared to the LS with a supercharger.
Huge supercharger. I think the supercharger right here is even bigger, but the LS is a lot more compact than the Hellcat engine.
The Hellcat engine is like wide.
Yeah, it's pretty wide. I think that's why a lot of people LS swap these, because they're pretty compact.
I think this one's harder.
It's harder. All right, this is from the front. Hopefully the light doesn't fuck up.
So before we put the
We test fitted
supercharger on,
the supercharger,
and then what?
and it worked. It looks good. The supercharger looks so good. But we have these oil holes, and what these are used for is we can shut off 4 of these cylinders and preserve gas and probably save the earth. But we're not here to save the earth. We're here to destroy it. So we need to cover these up. We need to cover up these oil holes because we got a fucking big ass cam. I got these oil plugs, and I got one from BTR and one from Michigan Motorsports. So we don't need all of them. I bought extras, but I think we should use half of these and half of these. That way both companies feel utilized and appreciated. And also if something goes wrong, it'll make it more complicated to find the issue. Looks like the power of the sun in the palm of my hands. Small joke before we get started. If anybody lost a roll of $100 bills wrapped in a rubber band outside, good news, we found the rubber band. Spider-Man 2 reference.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I haven't seen that one.
All right, well, we're good to go.
All right, you're supposed to push them down with your thumb. Harder, bro.
Okay. Well, you're not supposed to do it with
Yeah,
your
you
thumb.
are.
You're fucking with me.
Nah, bro.
Nah, you're supposed to like get a little mallet or something.
Nah, bro. You do it with
There's
your
no
thumb.
way. There's no way. All right, can I use a mallet though?
Yeah.
Okay, so then why wouldn't I use a mallet then?
You're the one trying to pushing it down. Push it down with your thumb. You're the idiot.
Get out of my shop. Get out of my shop! You ready?
Mm. It's good.
This is the funnest part of the job so far. That hole was looser. I guess you could say that one got around a little more, huh? Yeah, whack it, yeah. Whack it, yeah, whack it.
You like that?
Dude, don't do that. Don't. Oh, what an 18. They wanted to send me to a psych ward, bro.
When?
Not too long ago, they wanted to send me because they heard I'm a whack job. Huh?
Did you press these down in the psych ward with your thumb?
Bro, you're dumb. Don't ever do that shit. Not in my shop. Stop, but don't.
Oh boy. Right in that hole. And now the engine is gonna be ruined forever.
Nah. That was just a magic trick.
Alright, and just like that, the DOD is deleted. Now we can put the valley cover. This Magnuson valley cover on.
Bro, let's do it, bro.
We're gonna have to take off this top cover right here. Ooh, fancy. Spin it. Listen.
I know where to spin it from, Luis. I'm not an idiot.
Ooh, it spins so nicely.
Yeah, stick your finger in there.
Bro,
Now. Meow.
Bro, it just like, I really want to put it in there. Intake bolts.
Slide that thing in there.
And put this back on. I'm not torquing everything down today because
This is, yeah. Once it's in the car, then it'll go on there.
oh,
And that's how you install a supercharger.
Welcome to House of Dogs. Sorry, I always wanted to name a shop that. Remember when we were trying to pick a name for the channel? One of the options was House of Dogs. But then everybody would comment, why don't you just call it Dog House?
There's another. Oh, hold on. Actually, I think I have the list. House of Dogs. So we were gonna name the channel House of Dogs.
But then it was gonna sound like a hot dog channel.
We have a list of names that we were about to name it, and they're dumb. Grease.
Bean grease.
Oh, bean gear.
Bean gear.
Car bums.
Car bums.
Bum race. Bum races. Hood bums.
The Hood Bums would be a good name for a channel if we're just doing other stuff though. Like hood bummy stuff. We can't say those out loud.
That just sounds bad. Hail Mary, that was kind of cool. Scrap bums, scrap pigs.
House of Pigs.
And we see a lot of comments that saying you should have named it Formula Juan. One, I think that's super lame.
I think that's too easy, bro.
And none of us are named Juan.
Yeah, we'll just be naming our channel after some dude named Juan. Formula Bean represents all Mexicans.
And non-Mexicans too.
Yeah.
White people can wear our shirt.
Yeah,
Don't feel ashamed to wear our shirt. You're supporting us.
You're all beans to us. Every race is a bean. Who doesn't love beans, huh?
Motor beans. Rusty beans.
Rusty beans.
Did we think of Formula Juan? I feel like that went through. Maybe we completely missed that one.
Maybe, but it's not all that.
Anyways, anything that we said, I Googled to try to see if anyone had it, and we didn't have Formula Juan because someone else probably had it.
Yeah, Juan took that one already.
Yeah. Junk.
Just junk, that's it. Here, take that one bolt off.
But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned to see us make this car have 1,000 horsepower.
Look at this, guys.
Was that the heat sink? Oh, that's a cooler.
Yeah.
Cools it down.
All the air goes through there and gets cooled off. So if
That's
your air is
crazy.
angry, send it here.
That's crazy looking, man.
Fingers on there.
All right, guys. So stay tuned. Get to see the Supercharger.
Subscribe, share, like.
Buy some shirts.
Tell your friends about us. Tell your friends' moms about us. Tell women about us. Tell our story.
We have like no women viewers, please.
Yes.
So please tell more women.
Women, find us, please. Thank you, Magnuson.